Okay, so here is the drill here. And I fixed the drill bit is fixed here. See how it turns? Okay. See how it turns? Right down. See it right down. And right up. As you can see, it turns. Okay. Okay, so that's all turning. But now we want to see if the battery's working, and I haven't tested it yet. I'm going to test it live. That is in the video. I'm not sure how long it has to charge the battery for. It's been there for a little while. It may need longer, or it may be enough. We'll see. We'll test it now and see if this works. Before we do that, I want to actually put a drill in there. I'm going to put a drill in there. Put the battery back in there for a moment. Okay. We want to put a drill in here. Let's see exactly bear with me while we set this up. Okay, as you can see, it's in there. Now we'll test the battery. Now which way does it go? It doesn't really matter, does it? And the battery's not working. As you can see, it's not working. It's not working at all. May need a new battery. The drill may be stuck. Maybe it needs more charging. We're going to put it for a little while longer and see if it needs more charging. I'll check if it's plugged in the thing. So we fixed the drill, but the charger is still not working. It's not charging. There must be something wrong with the charger or the battery. Okay, it's alright, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so we'll be back in a little while. It's been sitting out there for a very long time uncharged, so it may take a long time to charge. I don't know what the case is. Don't know anything about chargers or how to fix them or anything. Okay, so we'll be back in a little while. Okay, stay tuned. Trying to fix this drill.